Okay, how to light the pilot light on my RV oven. You see where my finger is. This is the pilot. So I'm going to put flame on this for 15 to 20 seconds while I push in the oven control knob at the pilot setting. It just lights right up. So you should be able to hear the gas start to flow. Now the pilot's on. And the oven comes on. Just simple. And then the pilot will stay on and the flame burns. And then just turn it back to pilot, leave it on pilot. The pilot will stay on. Yeah, so while I had the flame down under there, I pushed that in like that and held it for quite a while. Then the pilot started. And now if I just push it in again and turn it over here, you can hear the burner come on. Now it's off. The pilot light's off.